Hi everyone, my name is Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird feeder. What you'll need for this is some yarn. If you don't have yarn, you can also use some ribbon. We're going to be using the ribbon or yarn to hang our bird feeder. So you just need something so you can tie it onto your to a branch or to your house. So you also are gonna need a butter knife. You're gonna need some peanut butter. I have almond butter. You're going to need a roll of toilet paper, and you're gonna need some bird food. If you don't have bird food, what I've done is I had some peanuts and almonds and cashews, and I also had some chia seeds and pumpkin seeds. So all I did was throw that onto a plate, and we're going to be using this for our bird food. And you also are going to need a bamboo skewer, and this is what we're gonna put so the birds can fly onto it and eat the food. So our first step is going to be to make holes onto our toilet paper roll. We're gonna need to put 2 holes on the top and 2 holes on the bottom. So you're gonna get your bamboo skewer, and maybe you can get your parents to help you with this part. You're just gonna make a hole at the very top with your skewer very carefully. If you can't do it with your skewer, you can also try with scissors. I'm going to need scissors. Made a tiny hole, and then your bamboo stick should fit. And now just slowly twist it so it can make the right size for your hole. And then you're gonna have to make another one on the other end so your bamboo stick can go through. Once you've made the little hole, just use your bamboo stick again and go through. And it should fit like this. So for the top part, we will be using these holes actually for the yarn, because the hole is made very close to the top, but for the birds we will have to go a little bit higher, and that's where our skewer will go. So we're gonna make 2 more holes on the bottom. And that is going to be your bird perch. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is get your yarn and your scissors. you're gonna want to cut a good long piece just to give you room in case you want it to be hanging low or high. Next, you're just gonna put your yarn into the holes. Okay. Once you have your yarn through the holes, you're just gonna do a little knot. And I want to make it tight because this is where the birds will be hanging from. And that's your little bird perch. Now, you're going to get your peanut butter or your almond butter, whichever you have. And we're going to cover our roll in the peanut butter. So with your peanut butter or almond butter, we're going to be using it as sort of a paste, like glue for the bird food. So you're going to get your toilet paper roll and you're just going to start spreading it onto your roll. Once you've covered your roll, you think you have enough on there, you're gonna start putting this aside and you're gonna get your bird food. Then you're just gonna roll it on and press. Same with the other side. And you can use your hands as well, just to really put it on there. Once you have enough on there, I think this is enough for me, then you're done. Now you just have to go hang it outside so the birds can come and enjoy.